Creating designs with waves using USG ceiling Technix and Colortex Barz. In this video, we're going to learn how to create and edit a curvy, wavy ceiling using the USG Ceiling Technix Revit plugin. Starting from the homepage, go to Barz Baffles and Slats and click Create Ceiling under Colortex Barz PET Baffles. We're going to design a ceiling that looks like waves in water, so we're going to choose a preset pattern that most resembles what we're going for. We'll click the drop-down menu within the modal and adjust some of the colors to achieve that wavy effect we're looking for. Since we're attaching this to an angled reference plane, we're going to leave the rest of the items in the modal unchecked. Click Choose Ceiling, and then start drawing your boundary lines. Remember to close your polygons to create a complete boundary line. When you're done, click the green checkmark and press Escape. In the Place Component to Array menu, we'll select Place on Work Plane, and then select our reference plane, Angled Ceiling. Now we get to place our anchor component. And let's have some fun with this. Place that component around the midpoint and then rotate it 5 degrees. That looks good. Click Generate Ceiling and the Technix plugin will do the rest, filling in your boundary area. All that's left for you to do is enjoy the work. Learn how to make edits to your design in the Iterating on a Ceiling how-to video for Colortex Barz.